Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to charge your phone with the GoPro Fluid Pro AI gimbal. So our gimbal right here can also act as a power bank, which means that you can pretty much plug anything into it and it will charge that device the same way a power bank would do. So what we're going to do is turn on our gimbal. So it needs to be turned on in order to actually act as a power bank. And then what we're going to do is make sure that our AI module is attached on the top of our gimbal right here. So right in its desired spot. And then we have this USB-C port on the back. So what we're going to do is take a USB-C to USB-C cable, or whatever cable you need to connect your phone, for example. So one port needs to be USB-C in order to connect it to our gimbal right here, and then just connect it to the port of the AI camera. So just like that. Now it's connected. And now if we connect our phone, let me just try and do this without putting the gimbal down because it starts to do some weird things. And there we go. So as you can see, now the phone is charging, and we can even check the speed of how fast it gets charged. So from 48% to 80 in 31 minutes. So you can do the math yourself, and that is pretty much it. So this is how you use the gimbal as a power bank. Turned off. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.